Hey Team Creative Design, welcome back guys, and thank you for joining me today. Today we're doing a balloon garland. I had a niece who celebrated her 12th birthday, and because of the pandemic, she could not get out and do a lot of things that we love doing to celebrate. So I decided to do something simple for her to make her feel special. Now this is not, of course, a professional balloon garland, but it is something you can put together for a kid's birthday party. I actually did one for an event of my own, and it comes out pretty decent, I think. As you can see, my son in the background is using a balloon pump that actually makes this process go a lot faster, and it was ordered on Amazon. So I'll post the link to that down below. You can blow 2 balloons up at a time. So guys, the process here is simple. I just make sure I secure the balloons well. And you'll see a couple of times if I did not tie the balloons together well. I use the string that you use on the tip of a balloon or to hold the balloon to secure them together. And so when you start to pull through to secure them, if you don't tie the balloons tight, they'll come loose and it kind of messes up the form of the balloon. I did have a few to pop, so it did not completely form exactly the way that I wanted to, but I think the end product turned out really cute. You could do this in tiers of 3 or 4 depending on how big you want it. As you see here, these are dollar store balloons, so I found these for $1 per pack. I think it was 12 or 16 per pack, and I got a lot of pink because they didn't have a lot of colors for me to choose from. So I did run to Party City and grab a few that were kind of decorative to add a pop of color to it. So I started out using mostly pinks, and then I just added a few girly colors like some turquoise, and I did some with some fillers in it to give it a little bit of a pop. I also added a few heart-shaped balloons that I've never done before, and I got those from Party City as well. I'll hold those up in the video as I progress through the video, but this is really simple. The pump in the back that my son is using, I ordered from Amazon, and it actually makes this process go so much faster because you can blow up 2 balloons at a time. You're not out of breath trying to blow up balloons, so I'll post the description to that down below. So guys, this one was a really small balloon garland. I have done a huge one before that I hung from a stairwell, and I'll try to find a picture of that to plug in somewhere. But this is awesome. It's cute and simple. So if you're interested, please keep watching, guys. Thank you for joining me and being a part of Team Creative. If you have not joined the family, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm just going to play some music, let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. And again, thank you for joining, guys.